Picture this. Your application crashes after running for a week because you forgot to close a database connection. This is why the finally block exists. The finally block is a special section in Java's try-catch mechanism that always executes, no matter what happens. Whether an exception is thrown, caught, or not thrown at all, the code inside finally will run. It's your absolute guarantee that critical cleanup code will execute. Think of it as the bouncer who always locks the door at closing time, regardless of what chaos happened inside. The primary use case for finally is resource management and cleanup. When you open files, establish database connections, acquire locks or allocate network sockets, you must release them. The finally block ensures these resources get closed even if an exception interrupts your code. Without it, you risk resource leaks that can crash your application over time. Here's something that surprises many developers. Finally executes even when there's a return statement in the try or catch block. The finally code runs before the method actually returns. This means you can safely clean up resources knowing your cleanup code will run before control leaves the method, regardless of how the method exits. From a syntax perspective, the finally block is optional, but there's a catch. A try block must have either a catch block, a finally block, or both. You can't have a try block standing alone. This gives you flexibility. Use try catch finally for handling exceptions with cleanup, or try finally when you just need guaranteed cleanup without exception handling. Remember, finally is your guarantee that cleanup code runs no matter what. Practice using it whenever you manage resources and you'll avoid production nightmares. Now go write some bulletproof exception handling code. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.